Bite-sized German lessons by 11%.
Das Auge. Better keep an eye on this lesson, because today we are learning the German word das Auge, meaning eye. Das Auge. Das Auge. Das Auge. Das Auge. Das Auge is a neutral noun, whose plural is quite simply die Augen. It means eye, like the organ for watching. Let's check out some examples with this word. Meine Mutter hat schöne, grüne Augen. My mother has beautiful green eyes. Das Shampoo brannte in meinen Augen. The shampoo stung my eyes. Ich kann nur mit einem Auge zwinkern. I can blink only with one eye. Das Auge ist ein Sinnesorgan. The eye is a sensory organ. Die Spinne kann bis zu 8 Augen haben. The spider can have up to 8 eyes. We can use aufmachen, to open, and zumachen, to close, with this noun. Mach deine Augen auf. Open your eyes. Ich machte meine Augen zu und schlief ein. I closed my eyes and fell asleep. We also have a lot of different sayings with the word Auge. Here are some of them. Ins Auge springen, to catch someone's eye. Sie trägt immer Neonfarben, die gleich ins Auge springen. She's always wearing neon colors that immediately catch your eye. Ein Auge zudrücken. To turn a blind eye to something. Don't look at something or to ignore it on purpose. Hat beim Test geschummelt, aber der Lehrer hat ein Auge zugedrückt. He cheated on the exam, but the teacher turned a blind eye. Ein Auge auf etwas haben. To have an eye on something. Habe ein Auge auf den Kalenderbereich für anstehende Online-Kurse. Keep an eye on the calendar section for upcoming online classes. Die Augen aufmachen. To open one's eyes. To watch something closely, to pay attention. Mach die Augen auf und die Tasche zu. Es gibt sehr viele Taschendiebe hier. Keep your eyes open and your bag closed. There are many pickpockets here. Die Augen offen halten. To keep one's eyes open. Wir müssen die Augen offen halten, um keine Chance zu verpassen. We have to keep our eyes open to not miss a chance. And you can also die Augen vor etwas verschließen. To close one's eyes to something or to turn a blind eye. Vor diesem Problem darf Europa nicht einfach die Augen verschließen. This is something to which Europe must not turn a blind eye. Etwas aus den Augen verlieren. To lose sight of something. Man darf sein Ziel nie aus den Augen verlieren. You should never lose sight of your goal. Ein Auge auf etwas oder jemanden werfen. Literally, to throw an eye on something, meaning to have a special interest in something or someone. Ich habe ein Auge auf dieses Paar Schuhe geworfen. I have an eye on these shoes. If you still didn't have enough of this word, here are some more sayings with Auge. Ganz Auge und Ohr sein. To pay attention to something, to be all eyes and ears. Auge um Auge, Zahn um Zahn. An eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. Auge in Auge, face to face or literally eye to eye. Dem Tod ins Auge sehen, to look death in the eye. Today we learned about the neutral noun das Auge, which means eye in German. The plural form of this word is die Augen. And keep an eye on all the different phrases in which we can use this handy word. And now it's time for a little exercise or Übung. Write your answers in the comments below and get the chance to win a free beginner German course. Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!